What's up guys, the Coding Beast here. So today I'm going to show you guys how to add custom jobs and make donated jobs on your DarkRP server. So first off, you have to go to Garry's Mod, Add-ons, DarkRP Modification, Lua, DarkRP _ custom things, and find jobs to Lua. I'm going to use Notepad++ to edit this file. You can use any other editor. So first off, you have to make a team name. You have to start with team _ and then a name. I'm going to use team _ custom job. Yes, and then you have to type in DarkRP dot create job, open up parentheses, and then you have to open up double quotes. Then here you'll have to type the name for the job. This will be the name that will be shown in the F4 menu. So just gonna call this custom job. Open up brackets and close them down here. Indent the line, and the first value have to be color is color, open up parentheses, and put a comma at the end. Now to find the color, you'll have to go to colorpicker.com, select the color you like. I'm going to use the spread color. You have to look at these three values, R, G, and B. These values stands for red, green, and blue. So in this example, it's 255, 0, 0, and then the last value always have to be 255. This value is the transparency, so don't edit this value. The next line have to be model. If you want more than one model, you'll have to open up brackets, type in like this, and put a comma at the end. But I'm only going to use one model, so I don't have to do this. So to find the model, you have to go in-game, and this can sometimes be a little bit tricky. But go to spawn list, go to Half-Life 2 characters, and find the character you like. I'm going to use G-Man for this example. After models, add in player. Copy it and paste it into your code. Next line have to be the description. Open up brackets, put a comma at the end, and this is the description that will be shown in the F4 menu. Custom job. I'm just going to type in custom job. The next value is the weapons. If you want the job not to have any weapons, just leave this like this, blank. But if you want the job to have weapons, you have to open up double quotes, go in game, go to the weapon tab, find the weapon, and right click and cut to clipboard. Now paste the code into here. If you want more than one, add a comma and open up double quotes. I'm not going to do this, just going to delete it again. So next, this command. This is a chat command to become your job. Most people use the F4 menu, so this is not important. So I'm just gonna call this custom job. Next value is max. I'm just gonna have 2. So this is the max players that I have the same job. So I'm just gonna have 2 players at the same time. So the next thing is salary, and this pretty much gives itself. So I'm gonna give the player $20. So the next thing is admin. Always keep this as 0. It's always better to do a custom check. Then the vote. Does it have to display a vote before you become the job? Just gonna set this to false. Next thing is has license. Does the job have a gun license? I'm just gonna set this to false. Need to change from. You can leave it out. Does the job have to change from another job? For example, from the chief, you have to become a civilian protection first. So I'm not gonna set this value. So this is the code for a basic job. Now let's start to hit save and go in game and see how it looks. So that down here we have the custom job. You can see we have the description, the name, and the weapons. So if I change job, I'll get the AK-47. So now to make this job detonator only, or depending on the Steam ID, you have to type in custom check is function apply and type it end. Always remember the commas at the end. And then we need a custom check fail MSD. So this is a message that will show up if the custom check fail. Just gonna do it like this. This job is detonator only. So now in this code we're gonna type in return apply get NW string user group is detonator. So this is for ULX. I will check if the detonator or if the player have the user group detonator. So if you want more than one group, just have to copy this, add an OR at the end, and paste it in. So now I can use admin. If you want the player to have a specific Steam ID, you have to type in apply Steam ID is Steam underscore and some values. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please go and rate and subscribe.